Now, as the Constitution stipulates, we shall start with the position of the President. Can I get nomination for the position of President? There is a hand here with a cap, black cap.
Thank you very much. My name is Shadrach Tlaole from the Northern Cape Province, John Taulo region, Hamahara sub-region, Ward 5. I stand to nominate the name of Julius Malema as the President of the EFF.
Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Mr. Julius Malema, can you go to the nearest mic and indicate as to whether you accept your nomination or not?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Can I have your attention, please?
My name is Julius Malema from Ward 13 in Polokwane, a member of the EFF. I do accept the nomination.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Without any waste of time, by a show of hands, can I establish as to whether there is support for that nomination? Those who support, raise one hand only for 3 minutes. Keep that hand up just for 3 minutes. We'll keep the hand up. It's not going to be traumatic, only 3 minutes. Keep that hand up. Thank you very much. Now, only for 2 minutes as we establish as to whether Mr. Julius Malema, only 2 minutes to establish as to whether Mr. Julius Malema has passed the threshold. Not yet. I'm saying only 2 minutes. 1 minute. 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Julius Malema has passed the threshold. Thank you. Are there any further nomination for the position of the President? I'm looking. I don't see any hand up. Thank you very much. There are no further nomination for this position. Thank you. Let's proceed with our process. Let's proceed.